This is level 4 of the multiplication practice skip counting exercise. For this level, because I'm using digital cards, we're going to pretend that what I'm looking at, this multiplication problem, is on the front of the card, and that when I flip it over, I can see the answer on the back. In reality, because I'm on a computer, I've just had to use two cards. But pretend that this is one card where this is the front of the card and this is the back of the card. The best practice would be to have students take a break from their regular skip counting intervention to make these cards themselves. So on the back of the card where they have the number 0, they would write 2 times 0 if they're skip counting by 2s, or 3 times 0 if they're skip counting by 3s, whatever the case may be. Right? And you might help them with this. It's also totally fine for you to do this for them. Just make sure that you have modeled for them, that you do this with them at least one time to make sure that they understand how to do it. And notice, these cards are in order. I start with 2 times 0, then 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. I want to give students this crutch to help us use skip counting to solve these problems. So for 2 times 0, I want the student to remember when we put 0 counters, so 2 times 0, how many counters do we see? And they should be able to say 0. They'll flip it over and check themselves. If they're not sure, they can still have them use their counters for this level, just like they did for the other ones. When they see no counters, they should know that on the back of this 2 times 0 card, it's going to say 0. Okay, then next would be 2 times 1. Again, if they can't tell me that this first group of counters is going to be 2, have them build it with counters again. 1, 2. How many counters do we have? Yes, we've got one group of 2 counters. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, and I'm going to have them go all the way through this stack of cards, just like this, until they're able to answer each of these multiplication problems. And I just want them to go through it one time. You know that they're ready for the next level when they can do this automatically and just say the card or say the answer, check it, it's right, flip it over. When they can do that, they're ready for the 5th and final level.